Good evening, my name is Varinder and I am here to conduct your pre-IELTS speaking interview and your candidate number is 110588. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, my name is Ashlyn Kaur and I belong to village Rasulpur, which is located in the city Basi Pathana district, Fatehgarh Sahib. It is very beautiful and big city, and I have recently completed my senior secondary education from Garden Valley International School, and it is affiliated to CBSE patron. And now I have joined coaching classes of English to improve my communication skills.
Okay, what was your major then?
Can you please repeat the question?
What was your major? In your school, what subject you had studied?
In my senior secondary education, I opt commerce stream, which includes accountancy, economics and business studies, because I was very interested in that.
Okay, and from those subjects, which was your favorite?
Actually, economics was my favorite subject because it tells us about the current situation of our economy, like per capita income and about the GDP growth of the country.
Do you have a daily routine?
Well, as I am a student at the moment, so I have a daily routine. I always wake up early in the morning, sharp at 5 a.m. and I prefer to go for my coaching classes of English to improve my communication skill, and in evening I give more priority to going park to do some light exercises.
Are all your days the same?
Actually, weekdays are almost same, as I had said that I am a student, so I always prefer to go for my to improve my communication skills at coaching center, and on weekends I prefer to go out with my friends to enjoy and make my day.
Tell me about your typical day and typical weekend.
Well, last weekend at my friend's birthday, we all went to Chandigarh for the celebration, and there we suddenly made a plan to watch a cricket match, and I was not interested in sports, so it was the worst day for me.
Okay. What would you like to change in your daily routine?
Well, there is nothing that I want to change in my daily routine. I just want, there are but little things which I want to change, I just want to get a free time to spend with my family and to share some happiness and sorrows with them.
Do you want to add something new into it?
No, I don't want to add something new into it. These are the only one which I want to change.
Okay, let's talk about laughing. What kind of things make you laugh?
Well, there are a myriad of things which makes me laugh, such as comedy movies and comedy web series as well. Out of which the most prominent one is Comedious Person, which makes me more laugh when I sit with them.
Do you like making other people laugh?
Well, I like sometimes to make other people laugh because it not only refreshes my mood but also relaxes other moods as well, as I'm very comedic.
Do you think it is important for people to laugh?
Yes, according to me, it is very important for people to laugh, as it is the great source of stress buster and relaxation of mind.
Is laughing the same as feeling happy, do you think?
According to me, both are not same. Laughing is just to laugh on some comical things or some comical web series. But we generally get happy when we get inner peace.
Okay. This is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make notes, then you can use the notepad. Your cue card is number 13. Okay, start.
Well, every person has some goals in future, and I also have. But today here I would like to talk about the goal which I want to achieve in future, and that is becoming a good Kho-Kho player. Actually, in my school time, I was very good Kho-Kho player, and I always played Kho-Kho very well. And in my when I was in 8th standard, I was announced as a captain of Kho-Kho team by my principal ma'am, and was also appreciated by my MD sir for it. And me and my team played at very many Sahodya competitions and always achieve a gold medal. And I also played at a state level. But when I was selected for the national level competition, my parents do not support me because due to the backward thinking of the villagers, I was not allowed to move out for the camping for the Kho-Kho match. Then I decided to opt some other streams, but actually I am most interested in Kho-Kho. So one day I discussed my problem with my grandfather. Then he appreciated me and also encouraged me to achieve this goal. He said that he is with me and he will provide me financial support to me, and also convince my parents for this. So this is the goal which I want to achieve in future, to become a good Kho-Kho team captain, because I know that I am capable of this.
Okay, so this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to the goals. Do you think people should talk to others about their goals?
According to me, they should not talk with others about their goals. They should only opt the goals in which they are interested, because discussing with others about their goals will make them more confused.
What is more rewarding, working towards the goal or achieving it?
Actually, both are equally important at their place. Firstly, work on the minor goals to achieve that. Then we have to work very hard to achieve our goal.
Do you think it is important to have a realistic goals?
Yes, it is very important to have a realistic goal, because it is more it makes person to achieve them very comfortably and very easily.
Is it always necessary to have something to aspire to the future?
Can you please repeat the question?
Is it always necessary to have something to aspire in the future?
Yes, it is necessary to have something to aspire in the future, because it is very necessary for the inner peace. Moreover, if we are not, it is also necessary for achieving the goal.
How important is it for people to set goals?
Well, it is very important for people to set goals, because without setting goals, they cannot achieve their desired goals, and without working on that goals, it is impossible for them to achieve that.
Do people set different goals at different stage of life?
Yes, it is very common for people to set different goals at different stage of life, because changing is the rule of nature. So in childhood, the goals of the people are different, and in adulthood age, they have different goals.
Are personal goals more important than professional?
Yes, personal goals are more important than the professional, because they help us to gain the inner peace and relaxation of mind.
What sort of goals do young people set nowadays?
Well, according to me, nowadays young people mostly set goals to make their fame and name in the society, and to gain the sophisticated respect.
Okay, so this is the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.